Welcome and welcome back to the channel, guys. Y'all can see what I got going on here. This is the leak detection pump we use. Leak tamer, leak detection system. Okay, now this has been on for a good minute, guys. My ball ain't even trying to drop. So, I see steam, guys. Okay, hold tight. Is my battery still on? Smoke machine. I'm seeing steam from the other side, guys. Let's go over. Alrighty. Yes. Let's see all that in the area of the fuel cap. Maybe not. Oh. Wait a minute. Have somebody just... Let me see something, guys. Somebody just did a fuel pump on here. I'm getting this smoke. Hold tight, hold tight. I'm starting to suspect something. That is a big leak. That is a large leak. And that was the code. Large evap leak. Those are pretty much... Sometimes you can visually see those. That is huge. Alright, let's see what we got. Oh, I'm blowing hard from somewhere. Oh no, on top of the tank. This is coming. Okay, guys. All this is back here. I guarantee you. I bet somebody put a fuel pump on here. Look at this. Yeah, somebody definitely. Who did? Why would they put two clamps? Okay. I'm about to look in the area of this fuel pump. Yes, that's why you had the gas cap loose code also, guys. It's monitoring. I told you the strategy that the car uses to detect if it suspect the fuel cap was loose. Okay, in fact, watch this video right here. I speak about that. But for now, I want to see. Hold tight. I think somebody... I'm gonna leave it right there. We're going to the primary side. Remember, there's two pumps on this model. Oh, maybe not. So why am I getting smoke? Did somebody change this side? Okay, that is a large evap leak. Where in the hell is it coming from? What in the world's going on here? That still ain't answering my question. Where in the freak is this steam coming from? Okay, I might have to pull. Hold on. I don't want to have to pull this down. Wheel well area off. Let's do this, guys. We got to go back up. Somebody's been on this tank. I'm seeing blow by like right in here. So it's got to be. Okay, I think my timer turned out on my leak detection. It did. So let me turn that back on so it can pressurize the system again. Because I have to find out where this freaking leak coming from. Oh, it's somewhere here, guys. Have this tank been out? Something's been... Look like it's coming from right... What in the hell? Yes. It's in this tank, and from the look of this, somebody had this tank out, guys. I'm gonna drop... What is that, 13? Well, I can only drop it so far anyway because of this exhaust. But I'm gonna drop this tank just a little bit so I can see if I can get a visual where this leak coming from. It's in here. Let me blow. Alright, it's clear. It generates right in this area. Alright guys, I gotta partially drop this tank. Hold tight, let me grab some tools. Alright guys, let's we gotta drop this tank a little bit. Damn. Alright. Yeah, my leak is right here. Oh no! Man. Look at that. Oh, and it's full of glue. Somebody tried to glue this. Oh no, that is all my evap leak. Holy crap. How in the hell did it get all on this side though? Look, it's still, unless, yes, I think it's blowing straight across. Yeah, that has a little pressure behind it, so it's blowing. Like if it's pointing this way, it would blow all down and wouldn't. See, if I blow that away, it's not gonna return because the source is gone, right? Right. Okay, but I don't know. This is part of the rollover valve, guys. This white valve right here. Ain't no fix for this, guys. They're gonna need a pump. Oh my goodness. Somebody just put a tank on it too. Alright, let me go tell them the bad news. Hold tight, guys.